Hey guys, I'm Liliana. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this a beautiful cake using a simple technique. And also I'm going to share with you the buttercream recipe that I use almost in all my videos. So if you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, before you leave, subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. created this beautiful cake. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And for the technique part about it, very simple. I use one of these. I have no clue what they're called. I bought mine at IKEA. You can find this everywhere. Kitchen supplies, Walmart, dollar store. And basically, I think it's made out of silicone, as you can see. And basically what you need to do is simply chill your cake. And then once your cake is chilled for about 10 to 15 minutes, you're gonna dip this one in really boiling water. And then you're gonna work your way from down up, like firmly, and then it's going to create those beautiful lines. And then that is it. And for the edible paint, I used lesser dust. Last week's video I showed you how to do it with gel food coloring, but you also can use lesser dust with a little bit of lemon extract or a vodka. Again, do not panic with vodka. Once dry, the alcohol evaporates, but if you don't trust that, just use the lemon extract. And that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really like this one. It has like a European look to it. I think it's one of my favorite cakes so far, personally. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys like videos like this, well, you can go ahead and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.